This card is, as of a few days ago, 30 years old. Today we're going to open it. We're going to open it up and we're going to try and restore it carefully. And decide whether we're then going to give it another grade. 6 out of 10. A little disappointing. Somebody sent this off because they loved it. It's come back as a 6. And now they've sold it to me for £22.50. This Clefairy has got perfect centering. 10 out of 10 Ace gave it. Its edges are a 7. Its corners are an 8. It's in really good nick. But Ace have given its surface of a 5. So we're going to see if we can make any difference to that tonight. Our channel is not about fixing cards, but trying to understand the cards and understand why they got the grade that they get. We're not going to do any kind of reshaping corners or anything like that. We're not going to do anything like hiding flaws. We're simply going to crack the slab and see if we can work at the surface to try and reveal what's really there. We're trying to just remove any kind of grime or little bits of dirt or dust or mould which can get on these old cards. We're trying to take that off. We're not trying to change anything that's in the card at all or anything like that. Scratches, you can see some minor scratches. We'll try and chip away at those if we can. So let's go, let's see. Start with a crack. Nice and slowly. Okay, nice clean break. Trusty bottle opener. Okay, so like I say, surface restoration only. I'm looking for surface contamination only. And we'll see if we can clean it up a little bit. What can we see here? Some little scratches just up here. Minor up here. It's pretty clean for 30 years old. I was in much worse nick by the time I was 30. I think even with cleaning this up, we might struggle to do better than a 6. Right, so a bit of card spray first, just for cleaning. Let's see what we can see if we can get any grime off. And then a little dry straight away. A little bit of work on the edges. A little bit to gain that grime off. Okay. There's still a little bit more up here. Let's have another run at that. I really don't want to work at this too hard. These old cards. Okay, we'll have a go at the back. Got to say though, again, pretty clean. I'm going to be careful around these raised edges over here. We don't want to make any of these floors worse. Okay. And then we'll go a little polish. Okay. Take that polish off. It's interesting working with these Japanese prints rather than the English prints. Japanese stock always seems to be really high quality. Really well made. So we're just looking to bring its best bits back. looking really nice. Come up really well. And then our front, still a little bit of grime up here that the card spray didn't get off. I think we should just be able to make this hollow sparkle one more time, and then we can decide whether it's worth regrading. Don't want to be too hard here. Still up here. We'll give it a couple more runs. We want to go nice and gently. It just might be that we can't get it. And that's okay. Not every card is a 10. We could be left with an absolutely stunning, shiny 6. A 7 would be an unbelievable result, really, for a 30-year-old card like this. But we will see. Yeah, I want to be really careful around the edges. It does look to me like it's just a little bit less. I mean, the hollow is absolutely dancing now. It's done so nice. Can't see, just a couple of scratches left here. But otherwise looking really good. I'm going to have one last go at this top corner here and this scratch here. And then I think we're going to say Clefairy is completed. Don't want to push my luck. Okay. Right, how have we done? Yeah. I think despite our best efforts, we still have this little bit of smuck here. Still a little scratch here. But if I'm looking at that, Ace gave grading a 5. Have we moved the needle at all? Maybe. I think we're going to have to submit it and see. what I would love to know from you guys is, would you be sending this card in? Do you think we could have pushed this restoration further? Or would you have stopped a little bit sooner? I think that is much more important than what grade comes back. I mean, I think it's probably going to come back as 6, but if it comes back as 7, that would be an absolutely brilliant result. Yeah, well, I enjoyed it. I hope you did too. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.